After trying so many recipes, this is 2026 clay recipe I would actually recommend you all. It's soft, durable, crack free and affordable. So if you also want a homemade clay recipe that is easy to make and gives a smooth result, then let's start the video and make it together. So सबसे पहले let me show you the ingredients I use for this recipe. The first ingredient is chalk powder. ये आपको easily paint shop से मिल जाएगा, especially in Pakistan, and this works as a base of the clay. So the second ingredient is PVA glue, simple white glue. Some people also call it German glue, but basically we need PVA glue for binding everything together. And the next ingredient is synthetic vinegar, the same type we usually use in our kitchen. And the fourth ingredient is very important, it's lotion. Now this is one of the ingredients that really helps with the texture because it makes the clay very soft, smoother and easier to knead. Now let's start mixing everything together. सबसे पहले I took 2 big spoons of chalk powder. उसको मैंने plate में डाल लिया. Then I added 1 spoon of PVA glue. After that, I used 1 teaspoon of synthetic vinegar. At this stage, you just need to combine the ingredients nicely first so the mixture start coming together before kneading. And once the mixture was combined, I started kneading it with my hands. And here I want to share one important tip. The more patiently you knead the clay, the better the texture becomes. It's smoother, softer and very much workable. And when the clay is kneaded properly, the chances of cracking after drying also become much less. So in this recipe, kneading is very important step. Don't rush it, take your time and keep kneading until the clay starts feeling smooth in your hand. Once the clay was kneaded well, I added a little bit of lotion and then kneaded it again. That helps improve the texture even more. It makes the clay feel softer, more smoother and easier to shape for different projects. If your clay ever feels a little dry while kneading, this step can really help balance the texture. And finally, this is the clay I made. As you can see, the texture looks soft, smooth and easy to handle. It's simple to make, uses affordable ingredients and work really well for clay crafting and creative projects. What I personally like about this recipe is that it feels comfortable while working, and with proper kneading it gives a much nicer finish. So if you have been looking for a clay recipe that is easy, budget friendly and gives you a soft workable dough, then you should definitely try this one. And if you want, I can also share more clay recipes for different purposes, like a clay recipe for miniatures, for flowers and for stronger clay projects. So tell me in the comments below which type of clay recipe do you want next. If you enjoyed this video, then do like, subscribe and share it with someone who loves clay craft and art. You can store this clay for 2 months in an airtight container. So this is the video. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.